In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up or create a Redbubble artist account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking to expand your online presence, or an enthusiastic beginner eager to share your creativity with the world, Redbubble is a fantastic platform to showcase and sell your artwork. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, simply head to it and type Redbubble into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see the Redbubble homepage in your search results. Click on it, and you'll be transported to a vibrant world of creativity and innovation. Now that you're on the Redbubble homepage, look for the option that reads Sell Your Art or Artist Sign Up. Once you've found it, give it a click, and you'll be taken to the Artist Sign Up page. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information to create your account. Start by entering your email address, which Redbubble will use to communicate with you. Next, choose a shop name that reflects your artistic brand or persona. It could be your name or something more creative. Lastly, set a secure password to protect your account. After filling out these details, click on the Sign Up button. Congratulations, you've just created your Redbubble artist account. Now, it's time to make your shop uniquely yours by customizing it. Navigate to your account settings. You'll find an option to upload an avatar. This could be your logo or any picture that represents you. Additionally, upload a cover image. Think of this as the first impression visitors will have of your shop. A professional and appealing design can go a long way in attracting potential customers. Take your time to choose images that truly represent your artistic style. With your shop looking great, the next step is crucial for those eager to start earning, linking your PayPal account or setting up a direct bank transfer. Go to your payment settings and choose the method that's most convenient for you. Enter your details as prompted. This setup ensures you receive your earnings for every sale made, making all your creative efforts pay off. Now that you've set up your payment system, it's time for the exciting part, uploading your designs. Navigate to the Upload section and start by selecting the design files you want to showcase. Redbubble accepts various file formats, but ensure your designs are high quality for the best print results. As you upload, you'll be presented with different product options your art can be featured on. This is your opportunity to envision your work on everything from t-shirts to tapestries. Take your time to adjust and position your designs perfectly on each product. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit the Save button, and voila! You're officially a Redbubble artist. Remember, the more unique and diverse your designs, the more chances you have of capturing the hearts of potential buyers. And there you have it. We've covered all the steps you need to create and customize your very own Redbubble artist account. Now, you're all set to start sharing your creativity with the world. Happy selling!